guys, we're Darius and Akila of DIY Power Couple.
And in today's video, we are going to do a project that many homeowners do in their home.
We're going to show them how to make a simple upgrade to their kitchen faucet.
So let's get started. These tools can help you remove your old kitchen faucet and replace it with the new one.
So the first thing we're going to do is turn off the shutoff valves. So this is one of the shutoff valves. I'll have you turn this one off, and you can just twist that button. Twist this right here. We're going to turn it off. This is on. Oh, wait,
okay.
And we're going to turn it off like that. Okay. Make sure
That
it's
was
tight.
simple.
Oh yeah, that was simple. Yours doesn't go all the way around. It just kind of like turns that way. And then we're going to take the other one. On the other side, we're going to turn that one
And
as
do
well.
the same thing as well.
Yes.
Okay.
And then,
That was simple.
yeah, that was simple. So now we're going to test the water to make sure it doesn't come on. So you can flip the switch.
Okay.
Make sure. There you go. So that means that your water is off now.
Oh, it is completely off.
Yeah. The hot and the cold are both off.
Great.
So now we're going to take this crescent wrench and we're going to adjust the size, and we're going to take this nut and we're going to loosen it and take the water line and place it in the bucket so that we can let all the excess water drip into the bucket.
Yes, I see. That makes sense.
Yes. Is it tight enough? It has to be tight enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Detaching older hoses can be the most challenging step of this DIY.
Boom, no water.
No water.
So I'm going to release the hot and let that run out. You got it over the bucket? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here I go.
Yeah. Keep it. Yeah. It's not a lot, but it's just drizzling.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going to see how it's attached to the faucet from underneath. Okay, so I'm going to take this screw, driver, and loosen here. Okay. So this is a counterweight right here that we have to take off before we can pull it up out of the faucet. So we take the counterweight off right here and we'll stick it down. And then we may have to unplug. Let's see how we're going to do that. Oh, there we go. And we'll pull off, pull that down. We'll pull it off. All right.
I can pull it now?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Now that the old faucet has been removed, let's find out how we chose the new faucet.
Well, when we originally moved into the house, this is what the builder offered. And I wanted to upgrade at the time. I look, I touch, I feel. I'm a touchy-feely kind of person. And I like to just get an idea of what it's going to look like once I get it home and actually install. So I decided to go with, as you can see, I have two here. And I was trying to figure out which one that I like better. The reason I chose this one is because I like it. It's more sleek, not as wide. Love them both, but this one fit what I was looking for better.
So we are going to DIY install this American Standard faucet.
So what we want to do is make sure that we put the seal on the end of the water. We're going to stick the seal through all the water lines. Because we're not using the plate, we're going to stick them in there like that. That's good. And stick that in there. And I'll pull the seal up in a second. And then we'll stick this. We don't want to rip it. There you go. Right there. You got it? There it goes. We have all the water lines. We want to take the rubber gasket and the metal gasket, stick them together. The rubber gasket goes first, like that. Then we take the other gasket, the tightening, and we stick it in here. So I have the gasket on there. Now I'm about to twist. Push it in and connect it. Right there. So I'm going to take that.
On location.
Yeah.
A counterweight allows the sprayer hose to retract when you're done using it.
So now we're going to connect the hot and cold water lines back. Now we're going to take the cold line and I'm going to tighten it. Before we turn the valves on, I want to take this rag and put it underneath the water line just in case any water comes out. Turning on the hot water, so it looks good. And turn on the cold water. I don't feel any water.
Let's have Rosalind test it.
Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna go down below. I want to make sure that there's no leakage. We don't see any leaks.
No, not at all.
So how does that make you feel?
Feels so much better. Now my kitchen really feels like the kitchen I always wanted. I love my faucet. It's a difference. Does it make a big difference? Small changes like this?
Yes, it does.
Let's see.
Rosalind, do you think that you can install a kitchen faucet yourself?
No, that's why I asked DIY Power Couple to come and help us. I follow you on YouTube.
Yeah.
And the way you always present your projects, you simplify it so much. I probably could have installed it myself, but I preferred not to. I had a good time. It was enjoyable to me.
I did as
You
well.
guys did such an awesome job. Thank you so much.
Thank you again.
Be sure to subscribe for more DIY home updates, and we'll see you in the next video.